Welcome to video 13.5G. Find the coordinates of a point of fractional amount along a line segment. In your notes you only have one example, but I'm going to make two just to give you some more practice. Alright, so please leave room for example 6b after I do 6a. So here's example 6a. Find the point 2/3 the distance from 2, -6 to 11, -3. It's very important that you know where you're starting and where you're ending. All right, so I'm going to just draw a quick little sketch. Remember I'm doing example 6a right now. So 2, -6 could be somewhere here. And then 11, -3 could be somewhere here. And I want to go 2/3 the distance. Okay, so remember the formula. The new x coordinate equals the starting x coordinate plus the fractional amount times the ending x minus the starting x. It's very important, and minus start. That'll help keep your signs correct, especially in the second example. All right, so let's see here. I'm starting with an x coordinate of 2. My fractional amount is 2/3. The ending x is 11. The starting x is 2. Okay, so it'll be 2 plus 2/3 times 9, 2 plus 6. So my new x will be 8. Okay, let's find the new y. The new y will be y sub 1 plus the fractional amount and y minus start y. Again, that's my starting y. So my starting y value is now -6. My fractional amount is 2/3. My ending y is -3. My starting y is -6. Be careful with the minus minus. All right, so that'll equal -6 plus 2/3 times -3 plus 6, 3. And then 3 divided by 3 cancels, so that'll be -6 plus 2. So my new y value will be 4. And once I get a new x and a new y, just join them into an ordered pair. So my answer would be 8, 4. Okay, so that's how to find a point of fractional distance along a segment. That was example 6a. I suggest you pause the video and try to work out example 6b on your own, and then check to see if you get it correct. I'll work it out now. Okay, so we're now doing the second example. Again, I'm going to draw a quick sketch. So 3 by 5, I'll just call over here. And then -5 to 10 would be somewhere over here. And I want to go 1/4 the distance. So it's very important. Starting there and ending there. This one's a little bit more confusing because we're going backwards. Again, if you do end minus start, the signs will be taken care of for you. So the new x equals x1 plus the fractional amount of end x minus start x. Again, this is my start. So I'll just use this picture. So my starting x is 3. My fractional amount is 1/4. My ending x is -5. So I've got -5 minus 3. So that's going to be 3 plus 1/4 times -8. -8 over 4 is -2. So notice I've got a subtraction here. Again, that n minus start took care of that for me. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. So my new x equals 1. Now I'll do the same thing for my new y. New y equals y1 plus the fraction and y minus start y. My starting y value is now 5. So 5, my fraction was 1/4. My ending y value was 10. My starting y value was 5. So it's going to be 5 plus 1/4 of 5 equals 5 plus 5/4. You've got options here. You could make that be 1 1/4 and add it to 5. You can make it be 1.25 and add it to 5. I tend to make mine be improper fractions. So I'm going to multiply this by 4, multiply that by 4. So 20 over 4 plus 5 over 4 equals 25 over 4. And that's my new y value. So I'll put them together. I'll just put it right here. So 1 comma 25 over 4. And again, that would be 6 1/4, and that makes sense in this diagram. Always do a check to make sure that you're at least within the boundaries. So there you have it. 2 examples on how to find the coordinates of a point, a fractional distance along a line segment.